Hi students, today we are starting with a revision test. Okay, total 10 questions are there for 20 marks. You can take your own time and you can check yourself these answer sheet. Okay, and now we are going to start with our next lesson, modern inventions. In this lesson we will learn about some inventions and the inventor's name also we will learn. Okay children, in this lesson we will learn about some inventions and the name of some inventors also. And these inventions made our life easy and comfortable. Okay, so first one, John Harvey Kellogg invented cornflakes. It gave people a healthy option of eating cereals for breakfast. Who invented cornflakes? John Harvey Kellogg. He invented cornflakes. Then antibiotics were invented by Alexander Fleming. It changed the world of medicine and their ability to cure diseases. The invention of antibiotics. Who invented antibiotics? Alexander Fleming. Next, invention of ballpoint pen. Invention of ballpoint pen. The invention made by two Hungarian brothers, Laszlo Biro and George Biro. Okay, the ballpoint pen invented by two brothers. Who are they? Hungarian brothers. They were Hungarian. Okay, and Laszlo Biro and George Biro. And next invention is quartz clock. Who invented quartz clock? W.A. Morrison and J.W. Houghton. They invented the first quartz clock. And now, next one is photocopy machine. That is very useful for us nowadays, isn't it? Who invented? Chester Carlson. Who invented photocopy machine? Chester Carlson. Okay, and some questions are given here, and you can write in your notebook or textbook. Okay, these answers. Question also you should write, answers also you should write. And in the next page again some names of some inventors and some invention also. And who invented internet? Okay, who invented internet? Who is that? There is no single inventor of the internet. It got started in United States of America more than 50 years ago. We cannot say the name of a person. We cannot say the name of a person. There is no single inventor of internet. Okay. And the next one we will learn about microwave oven. Microwave oven. That for what we are using microwave ovens? Microwave ovens we are using for cooking, baking, grilling, etc. Okay, Percy L. Spencer invented the microwave oven. Percy L. Spencer invented the microwave oven. Okay, and next invention. The Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web after the first connection was established over the internet. The World Wide Web is a collection of web pages found on the internet. What is a World Wide Web? It is a collection of web pages it found on internet. Okay, and here also some questions are there. You can write in your textbook. Okay, and in this lesson just we can revise what we learned in this lesson. What we learned in lesson, we learned some name of some inventions and we learned some name of some inventors. Okay, and some pictures also given here, the inventors pictures. And now we are going to start the next lesson, medical talk. Medical talk. Some clues are given here. Okay, name the medical terms that you get to hear quite often. When and went to the doctor for a checkup. The doctor wrote some medicines for him on this letter. This is called what is that? Answers I have marked here. Prescription. What is that? Prescription. Then question number 2. Shreya is suffering from viral fever. The doctor has advised her to take the prescribed antibiotics. Then Vyom's grandfather had a heart surgery last week. Before operating on her, the doctors gave her an dash. This made her fall into deep sleep so that she did not feel, hear or see anything during the surgery. What is that? Anesthesia. What is that? Anesthesia. Question number 4. Maya is suffering from asthma since childhood. She is under the dash of Dr. Kumar. She is under the diagnosis. Okay, she is under the diagnosis of Dr. Kumar. Then the doctor looked at the dash report of Varun's ankle to see if he had broken it. The doctor looked at the X-ray. Next, Anita's newborn baby is constantly crying and not taking his food. She should consult a pediatrician. Okay, pediatrician means, who is a pediatrician? Pediatrician is doctor for kids. Okay, next question. When Jaya fractured her arm during her dance practice, her mother took her to an orthopedist. Who is that? Orthopedist. When Priya returned from school, she had red rashes on her skin along with high fever. These were the symptoms. These were the symptoms of chickenpox. These were the symptoms of chickenpox. Okay. Then next lesson, some pictures are here. Okay, some adventure sports and thrilling and exciting. And at the same time it is very dangerous also. Okay, some pictures are given here. These are called these are some sports item. Actually these are some sports item, and look at the picture and identify which sports item is this. Okay, use the clue box for help him. Here is the clue box is here. I have marked the answers here. You please see the picture and write the answers. Okay, all of you please write these answers in your textbook and fill in the blanks. So we are concluding 3 lessons we have completed now. These lessons are enough for today. Okay, all of you please learn the answers. Thank you, children.